Okay, so in this video, we will be downloading Jenkins. So let's try to do that. Where is this good documentation? Once it is downloaded, just okay, next. So I will run it as a service as global system. Next, what port number you wanted to run? I'll just test it. It works. Click on next. Next, failed to load compatible versions 11, 17, or 21. Okay, I have 23. It needs 21. So what I will do is I would have to uh, uh, install 21 now. So let me install it. Yes, finish. Now, if you go to localhost 8080 and see, we are able to. I will install suggested plugins. Now it will ask you to create the admin user and password, so I'll create it. Okay, that's all.